every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 47th day of my challenge, where every day I'm trying a new recipe by Laura and I'm posting every second day, just to have some time for other things as well. So today I had to try a really nice dessert, but I couldn't find such a simple thing like puff pastry that I didn't even think that I will have to search for it. So I'm gonna have to skip that one until again I go to Lithuania to visit my family. But today I'm not sad at all because I'm gonna try an awesome meal for supper. So I'm gonna try Fettuccine Alfredo with chicken. So let's go over the ingredients and let's get started. We're gonna need 500 grams of fettuccine, 2 chicken breasts, cut into 3 thin pieces each, 2 teaspoons of granulated garlic, 2 teaspoons of granulated onion, 100 grams of butter, 480 milliliters of heavy cream, 150 grams of grated Parmesan, and salt and pepper. First thing you want to do is take a huge pot like that, fill it with water, sprinkle it generously with salt and bring to a boil, because this dish will come in no time at all and you want your boiling water ready for fettuccine once you're ready. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna season chicken from both sides with granulated garlic and onion and salt and pepper, and then we will head to the stove. And now what I have here is a big non-stick skillet with high sides. I'm gonna melt the butter in it on medium-high heat, and at the same time I'm gonna add in fettuccine to boil. Okay. And now I'm gonna add in the chicken and I'm gonna cook it for around 3 minutes on each side. Okay, taking out the chicken now. I'm gonna reduce the heat just a tiny bit and add the heavy cream for 5 minutes. In the meantime, I'm gonna cut up this chicken into bite-sized pieces. Okay, now adding in the Parmesan. I'm gonna taste it a tiny bit just to adjust the seasoning. Okay, so I need a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, and now back goes the chicken and the pasta, and I'm gonna mix everything together. You cannot stop but admire at yourself when you can accomplish something like that. It looks mouth-watering good. So I'm eating spaghetti on camera again. Nice. Oh look, cool. I want to take a tiny bit of, okay. Every dish of Laura's is so full of flavors. It's not even funny. I don't even know where to begin to describe, because there are just so many flavors and they're all so good. If you tried Alfredo before, I guess you know how it tastes like. For me, it's the first time and I'm really loving it. Okay, I won't eat more. And as I have like a minute to wrap this up, as always guys, you can check the original recipe by Laura here. She's so cute and has so many tips on everything. You should definitely watch and subscribe to her main channel, because she has over 800, I believe, recipes. So I'll have this challenge for some time, without a doubt. And if you want the written recipe with metric system measurements as well as American ones, you can check in the description box. And thank you for watching. I hope you had fun with me, and I'll see you in a day. Bye!